Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers and sisters. Salah, our daily prayer, is not just a ritual, it's a lifeline for our souls. Today, let's explore the immense importance of daily salah and how it can transform our lives. Allah commands us in the Quran establish prayer, for prayer restrains from shameful and unjust deeds. Surah Al-Ankabut, 45, the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also said, the first thing a person will be called to account for on the Day of Judgment is prayer. If it is sound, all his deeds will be sound. Tirmidhi. These reminders show us how central Salah is to our connection with Allah and our success in this life and the hereafter. Salah is not just an obligation, it is a direct conversation with our Creator. It purifies the heart, brings tranquility to the soul, and provides a sense of purpose. Through prayer, we gain peace of mind, by disconnecting from the chaos of the world and focusing solely on Allah. Spiritual discipline, it trains us to prioritize Allah above all else. Forgiveness of sins, each salah washes away the sins committed between prayers. Imagine having 5 opportunities every day to reset your heart and soul. Salah is truly a blessing. But let's be honest, staying consistent with salah can be challenging. Here are a few tips to help you stay regular. Set reminders, use an app or an alarm to alert you for each salah time. Pray in congregation, the energy of praying with others motivates us to stay consistent. Prepare your mind, make your intention strong by reminding yourself that salah is your personal time with Allah. Start small, if you've missed prayers, begin with 1 and gradually increase until all 5 are established. Remember, progress is better than perfection. Take small steps, but remain consistent. Let me share a story of Brother Ahmed, who once struggled with salah. He felt disconnected from his faith and overwhelmed by life. One day, he heard a scholar say, if you want Allah to help you, start with salah. That advice struck his heart. Ahmed began praying just 1 salah a day. Gradually, he built up to 5 prayers. Over time, he noticed his life improving, his anxiety lessened, his relationships improved, and his heart felt at peace. This is the power of salah, dear brothers and sisters. It transforms not only our spiritual state but also our worldly affairs. Let us not delay what is most important. Salah is our connection to Allah, the light of our lives, and the key to Jannah. Let's commit to making it a priority, no matter where we are in our journey. And establish prayer and give zakah and bow with those who bow, in worship and obedience. Surah Al-Baqarah, 43. May Allah guide us all to be steadfast in our prayers. Ameen. Please subscribe for more Islamic content. Like, share, and comment.